taking any risk and they are giving all the vaccines. But when it comes to HPV vaccine, neglect చేయడం అనేది చాలా కామన్ ఉంది. I wouldn't say HPV is an optional vaccine also. It should be a compulsory vaccine for all the children starting from the age of 9 for both boys and girls. So that future lo cervical cancer అనేది prevent చేయొచ్చు. Even for boys, genital warts and వేరే చిన్న చిన్న కండిషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవి కూడా ప్రివెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. So please make sure all your kids do take this HPV vaccine from childhood itself. And now coming to women, ఇప్పుడు actually women and men both కూడా 9 నుంచి 45 years వరకు అందరూ తీసుకోవచ్చండి. బికాజ్ ఇప్పుడు 9 yearsలో తీసుకున్నంత ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఉండకపోవచ్చు, బట్ some amount of protection at least will be there if we realize early and take the vaccine. So all of you are also eligible to take the HPV vaccine, both male and female, till the age of 45 years. Ideal ante chinnappudu, but ikkappudu teeskoledu ante you can take it now also. So please have this in mind, read about it. You yourself will understand the importance of HPV vaccine for everyone. So that is about HPV vaccine. And my hospital, we are conducting a Women's Health Day on the first Sunday of every month.